After filmmaking and fashion designing, the talented filmmaker Karan Johar has started his new venture in jewelry designing. करण जौहर ने कल लॉन्च किया अपना ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन, जहां उन्हें सपोर्ट करने आई बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेसेस इलियाना डिक्रूज एंड निम्रत कौर। यहां करण जौहर ने हमसे एक्सक्लूसिवली बात करते हुए कहा that how this venture was not an easy task for him.
It was initially challenging but I'm half Sindhi, so I think jewelry comes with the territory, and it's been very exciting because I've always understood, through my films, jewelry has been a very large part of like the final costuming for the last 2 decades. So I'm not alien to the world of jewelry, and so it was challenging definitely. But I think life is all about challenges and combating those challenges and accepting them and emerging is what I think any creative person's endeavor is all about.
वहीं हमने जब केजो से पूछा कि बॉलीवुड में किसकी ज्वेलरी स्टाइलिंग है उन्हें पसंद और किसको देना चाहेंगे मेकओवर, तो ही said,
Makeover, I don't know jewelry wise. I think people keep it subtle, but I think Rekha wears the South Indian traditional jewelry beautifully. Rekha ji is iconic in her look always. Every time she wears the beautiful Kanjivaram sari, she always has the most beautiful gold pieces of work. But I think that all the younger generation keep it very minimal. And I think Alia needs a lot to wear a lot more jewelry. So I'd recommend that she needs a little more of jewelry, which hopefully I will provide for her.
Well, but is there someone to whom you'll gift your special jewelry collection?
To my mother. I only give jewelry to my mother, and my mother is obsessed with jewelry, and I think I'll be sitting at the Gaina shop much more for her than for anybody else.
That's great. We are sure your mom will love it. वैसे करण जौहर के ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन से इम्प्रेस्ड निम्रत कौर और इलियाना डिक्रूज ने तो तारीफों के फूल ही बांध दिए।
It's a privilege to be wearing jewelry designed by Karan. It's elegant, it's lovely, it's easy to wear.
Well, not all of it. I think बहुत ही extensive है collection. तो I think I've just been so surprised and really pleasantly surprised कि उन्होंने jewelry designing में भी venture किया है, and I think his collection is beautiful. It's such a simply designed, it's very minimalistic, very westernized, and just like he said before, like less is more. So I love that he's got these 1 or 2 statement pieces, and these earrings are beautiful. So I love the difference that he's got, and he's got a really nice collection for the men as well as for the women. It's beautiful. I love it.
अब तक तो बॉलीवुड की इन 2 एक्ट्रेसेस को मौका मिला है टू वेयर केजोस कलेक्शन। वी आर श्योर करण जौहर की बाकी लविंग लेडीज विल आल्सो लव दिस प्रिटी कलेक्शन। फॉर हार्दिक तन्ना, Zoom Mumbai।